Imagine opening your eyes. The air feels different. Too quiet. No traffic. No airplanes. Not even another human voice. You're completely alone. Then something hits you. This place shouldn't exist. You didn't wake up somewhere. You woke up somewhere. 50,000 years ago. Long before cities. Long before roads. Long before electricity. You grab your phone. No signal. No GPS. No internet. And when that screen dies, you're officially on your own. Your first instinct? Call someone. Your second instinct? Find a road. But it isn't a road. It's something else's path. And whatever made it is much bigger than you. That's when you hear a branch snap. Not behind you. In front of you. Something moves. Slowly. Too slowly to be hunting. Too heavy to be human. Your heart starts racing. Do you run? Or do you stay perfectly still? You have exactly 1 second to decide. You don't move. You barely even breathe. Then, a massive tusk appears, followed by a wall of brown fur. This isn't a movie. This is real, and you're standing less than 50 feet away. One wrong move, could be your last. The mammoth disappears into the forest. You finally breathe again. You almost smile. Then you realize something terrifying. If mammoths are alive, what else is alive? And suddenly, your stomach reminds you, you haven't eaten, and surviving starts right now. Forget food. Your biggest problem is water. Without it, you won't survive very long, so you listen. Nothing. Then, you hear running water, and suddenly, hope returns. A crystal clear stream, exactly what you needed. You scoop it up, and then you remember something. Clear doesn't always mean safe. One mistake here could end your entire day. And you're not the only one using this water. You step away from the stream. Something doesn't feel right. The forest is too quiet. Animals don't go silent unless something bigger has arrived. You can't see it, but it definitely sees you. Now you're no longer hunting for water. You're trying not to become lunch. Running sounds easy. Until you remember, most predators run faster than you. Maybe you climb. You grab the trunk. It's much harder than you expected. Your hands weren't built for this. And whatever's coming is getting closer. You don't wait anymore. Slowly. One step. Another. Then, too late. It heard you. A giant wolf. Twice the size. And it's hungry. Every instinct says, run. Don't. Running triggers the chase. So instead, you make yourself look bigger. It works. For exactly 1 second. Then it charges. You run. Not because it's smart, because panic always wins. You can't outrun it, but maybe you can outsmart it, barely fitting. The wolf crashes behind you. For now, you think it's over. It isn't. One howl becomes 2, then 3. They're hunting together. You're trapped until you see smoke. Someone else is here. End of part 1. Thank you for watching. We are coming soon with part 2. Subscribe to Gen Evolution, where every story puts you in the past.